money is also kind of reflected for a lot of other things in life. For example, it deals with how you might talk to your partner about your combined finances. It deals with how you talk to your family about inheritance, how you all might talk about, if I start working and my parents retire, how much allowance do I give them every month? So money is not just money. Money is not just the brain, right? It's also the heart and also psychology as well. So we have some other stories that are also about money, but not directly just telling you about money. So for example, the one on the left is actually a story that we wrote. It's like a narrative story about a man who goes to the bar and he's showing off that he's very rich, but then the thing is he's not very well connected to his family because he spends all his time making money. But he says, you know what, tomorrow I'm selling my company and I'm going to spend time with my family again. But the twist to the story is that he's dead. This is the afterlife and he doesn't have that time now to go back to spend it with his family. So we don't just say, oh, earn money, maximize investment. We also think about earn money for what? And what is enough for you? Because that question is a different answer for everybody, right? So we also try to think about the psychology and balance of how money affects your life. Other example story, the middle one is a true story that we interviewed someone. We sat there with the interviewee for over an hour and we all were crying at the end because she was telling us this very real story about how her brother passed away. So in the process of talking about something like a will or lasting power of attorney, a lot of real feelings are brought up as well, and we have found a lot of, we managed to relate to a lot of people, and I think got very good feedback from people in writing about these topics as well. The last one is something that I thought was interesting because it was an idea that was inspired by a line that I heard in a Korean reality show. In the show, the person said that money was important to her for a point of time because she liked sunsets and sunrises. And as somebody who likes sunsets and sunrises, that connected with me. And how she related that to money, right? She said, I wanted to buy an apartment in the tallest tower in Seoul so that I could be the first and the last to see the sunset. So she worked very hard and she managed to get her goal, but it didn't make her happy because the funny thing is sunset actually is free, right? Everybody gets to see the sunset. And sometimes if I hike to a mountain to see a sunset, that journey, that difficulty makes it even more worthwhile also. So we're trying to also examine what money means to people and how that journey might change when you actually get your goals. So these are some of the other things that we talk about that are sort of about money. Next slide.